There's a twist in the hanging of Yakub Memon. Despite being convicted by the Supreme Court, Yakub Memon may not hang after all, because tomorrow is when the Supreme Court will decide whether or not Yakub Memon should hang. A curative petition has been filed, a larger bench has been constituted, and the judges in the Supreme Court will announce tomorrow whether this terrorist will face the noose.
The 1993 Mumbai blast convict Yakub Memon's petition challenging the death warrant against him will now be heard by a larger Supreme Court bench, as the two-judge bench that was hearing the case remains split on the issue. Justice Anil Dave and Justice Kurian differed sharply on Yakub's plea. While Justice Anil Dave said Yakub's execution should not be stopped, Justice Kurian said the death warrant should be stayed as there is a procedural issue. Justice Dave observed, if the king doesn't punish the guilty with red eyes, then the entire sins will come on the king. Justice Kurian Joseph, in contrast, said, this court is for the protection of the life of a person. It is not helpless and powerless to protect right to life. The Chief Justice of India will constitute a larger bench tomorrow that will hear the case tomorrow itself. Yakub Memon's one petition says his death warrant is illegal because it was issued before he could exhaust all his legal options, and because it was issued even before a decision could be taken on his curative petition. Yakub's fresh petition raises questions on the composition of the bench that dismissed his curative petition, thereby challenging the validity of the verdict that upheld his death sentence. Yakub's lawyer cites the Supreme Court judgment in Rupa Hura case of 2002, in which the top court had said that the bench hearing the curative petition should comprise of the same judges who dismissed the original plea. Justice Joseph agreed that the curative petition had not been dealt with correctly and that the defect needs to be cured, otherwise there will be clear violation of right to life of the convict. If the new larger bench agrees with Yakub that his death warrant is illegal or that his curative petition needs to be heard again, his hanging scheduled on 30th July will be stayed.
As of now, there is no outright ban on the hanging of Yakub Memon, which is scheduled on July 30th. And it's only tomorrow morning, when this matter comes up for hearing, we'll know whether Yakub Memon would be hanged or not.
With Anusha Soni in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.